Well, we're at dinner. This is our first dinner on the ship, formally. And lobster, shrimp, and stuff. Prime rib and potato and stuff. Not too impressed. What do you think?
Okay.
Yeah, so,
It was more fun to get my stuff.
I hear about all the free lobster and crab and all the stuff you can eat, but not the best. So yeah, you know, I've had a better calzone and sandwich so far. But yeah, we got all dressed up. Formal only, so we had to. And we're having fun, right?
Yeah.
So, that's dinner. Talk to you later. Once I figure out how to stop.